What's up, Wolfkit? Sorry, but this is our last video. What's happening? We're back at Cool Kids. It's your girl Maya and Mackenzie. We're just going to be doing 1 hour video because this is our last video. I know we are going to miss y'all, and y'all are going to miss us. I hope y'all give us to 100,000 likes and y'all like this video. So let's get to it.
So what are we gonna do this time? I don't know if it's really gonna be 1 hour actually. Yeah. What are we gonna do this time?
So I guess we're just gonna do a challenge upstairs. Why not upstairs? There's stuff upstairs. How about, you know that play gun that you have? I won't hit you, but it's like a game. It's like you gotta hit the person, but if you don't get the person, they won. Okay, you get it. Okay. So guys, we're about to do. We're gonna come back. Yeah, we're gonna come back, Riley. So we just about to go upstairs. Riley, say hi to the Wolf Pack. She just took a nap. So I don't like leaving my cousin down here. No, come on. Hold up, y'all. Okay, guys. So I have my little cousin on my. She on that freaking hoverboard. Oh, hold the camera.
Oh, sorry. I don't remember.
Oh. You had me walking up with my little baby. Okay, guys. So,
Don't really hit me hard.
I won't. So, guys, show them the gun.
That hurts. That's blaster. Let me show you them. I don't have. And as you see, you only get 2 tries.
Yep. So put on your tug of war things. Put this on. You have to put this on. Mama. Sorry, guys. I'm not going first. I'm not going first.
We need to put the.
I got this gun already. My cha-cha, the beak.
No, I get before the gloves. So you. No, because what if I hurt myself?
Oh, yeah.
I have to at least protect myself. And if I I'm gonna be like right here.
Yeah, we're shooting. Bougie. Oh la la. Screw.
Man.
Like being next. Nope. Wanna be
Don't
next.
mess with me.
You're going too much, coming small. When I see it less, you get upset. Oh, I tell upset. Oh,
Don't rub that
I
in
told
my
him
face.
the other day. Y'all just slumped that.
Just be quiet.
Move. Saying let me talk about this.
You want me to?
You want me to shoot this?
Then if you will, then just get out.
What would I have
Come
to do?
on.
You ready?
Give me.
We do it.
What's the other left, huh?
It's
That's
right
why I
here.
don't trust you with my stuff. Cause you just stole them.
I'm the Chesalina. That one Gasolina.
Okay, I'm going.
Okay, you ready? Y'all ready? Come on, Riley.
Why are you messing with the camera all the time? My battery is low. My battery is low, so we better just hurry up. Come on. We're not doing it up here. Come on. We're not doing it up here. Come on. Then put it down. We're doing it downstairs. No, we're not. Why? Because I don't want to. Okay. It wasn't your idea anyways. Okay. Come on. I'm scared. Don't do it yet. Don't do it. Don't do it. And if you do. I say exactly. We won't get too dead. You guys shoot. Ready? No. You ready? No. I'm about to shoot. Are you ready? No. She's scared. You can't use no cover either. You have to use the cover to protect yourself. It's just gonna be around. About to push. Okay, ready? Get that. You had one try. Give it to me. No, give it to me. You don't get 3 tries. 4, 10. You can't move. Yes, I can. She can't move around. Yes, I can. Hold up. I haven't even did it yet. Go. I messed up. Hold on, I messed up. Okay, I'm ready. Hold up, no, I'm not. Hurry up. I'm trying to. Why is it? Hurry up! Ow! If you're gonna do that, then I'm sorry. I didn't see it in your head. I ain't see that it was in your head. No. I gotta get the camera. Sorry. Guys, come on, Riley. Yeah, I'm not doing this now. Okay, go. Do it up here. And stop messing with the camera. Put the gloves on. This don't do it yet. I know. This Cardi B and 21 Savage if y'all can hear it. So I get 1 point. I get 1 point because I only got hit 1. Wait, she only got hit once, so. Hold on, I'm not ready. I'm not ready. I swear I'm not ready. Okay. You have to move. You have to like run away. It's gonna be a tie. Maybe. We're gonna get that bullet, but I'm not ready. Sorry, Riley. I'm not ready. Hold up.
Take the letter from her.
Did you see her?
Did I see what?
Them. They may be telling my mom.
Oh.
Guys,
Mackenzie's having a baby brother or sister.
Yep, my mom is having a baby.
Okay, you ready?
Yes.
Stop. Clean up, Mike, because your mom on the way.
No, don't.
Clean up, Mackenzie.
Okay.
Make your bed.
Okay. Sorry that we're ending the video so quick, but sorry, we have to go. Bye.
No.